Our company works hard to provide top quality service to everyone, and it's always exciting when we receive a great positive review like this one. Take a look and see what others are saying about their experience with us. It never gets old when someone posts these types of experiences online. We take great pride in knowing everyone is happy. It motivates us to continue working hard at providing the best possible service. We work hard to ensure everyone is happy and satisfied with our service, and we will work just as hard for you too. So why wait? Call us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.